Hi there, welcome to Doan's Workshop. This is part 22 of my Lamborghini Sian build. So last time, got the engine cover built and put on, as well as some more just details, final details here connected on the front of the car, or in front of the windshield. Anyway, now we're going to continue with the doors. Okay, looks like I got everything sorted here, so let's get started. Read about the scissor doors here. It's difficult enough to replicate the iconic scissor doors of the Lamborghini, but it's even a bigger challenge to create the mechanism that allows them to swing elegantly up. Just like on the real Sian FKP37, watch as senior designer Yue Wabra explains the hard work that went into these small but vital details on the Lego Technic model. Okay, start building this next part here. We have some dark gray 7 beams, and then that's all 3 of them. Pop those together. Okay, and then I have 2 black pins on either side. Once again, a lot of axles. We're building just another whole big section again here. They didn't really, even though there's less space in the number 5 box, it is seeming like it's the same amount of pieces. So get those panels on there, and now we're going to go with the 9 beam. And I need a long blue pin. Another 9 beam. Okay. There we go. And then 2 long blue pins here and here, and 1 on the end, and a 1 black beam. And now we have a 5 beam and an L beam. Okay, and that's going to sit like that, okay? And then we punch that into where? Into here? Okay, it's going to sit like that. And we do the other side with the same thing. Okay, and then that one's 5 beam, and another L beam to go this way. And that's correct? Maybe I did that correct, or no, I didn't. I'm looking at it the wrong way. Okay. It's like this. I'm looking at it the wrong way. It should be like that. And then that's the right way. There we go. And then a 13 beam. 4 black pins. It's supposed to just stretch right across there. Okay. try to get them all on. Always fun. There we go. Okay. That's 2 long blue pins. 2 black pins. There and there, and there's 2 more black pins over here. Over here, okay. Now we have a little, okay, we're gonna use the first one. We got lots of these 2 beams with the axle connection. Okay, and then the tank T. And I'm gonna do this twice, okay. There's that one, and another, there's only 2 of those. And then 2 9 beams. And they go on either side here. Okay, so like that. Got quite a few of these axle with a pin on them. They sit like that. Oh, there's the 2 gray spinny pins. And then 2 black pins. And 2 more black pins over here. Okay. 4 long blue pins. There's 1 in each one of those. And then we're putting 2, 1 in each one of these L beams. Those could have probably been put in earlier. And 2 axle pins. Okay. Now a 11 beam in green and 2 black 5 beams. 5 beams go on these. Where'd it go? Like that, and then this one goes up here. There. Okay. And then I need 2 of the big L's and the 2 T's. And we're gonna do them 1 each direction, I guess. Like that. And those go over top of this. That is not sitting right there, is it? That doesn't, it it's supposed to sit like right there. What's going on? Is that in the right spot? That's in the right spot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, these are not in the right spot. Okay. Okay, those were not in the right spot. So now they are. There we go. We need 2 of these beams. Long axle pins. And what are we punching down here? We're punching down through here. Is that right? Okay, that's right. Is that still moving? Nope. Not anymore. Okay. Long blue pins. The green 390-degree connector and in a 3-beam, just a regular 3-beam. An L to go on the other side. Black pin. This side. Long blue pin goes in there. Correct. Doesn't want to go in. There. Okay, and then we got 2 green 5 beams. Okay, now I'll take one of the yellow axles. Oh, I'm supposed to put this there. Okay, there's that. Now over to 2 of these with 2 long red axle pins. They go in either side here. Okay, and that goes against this gray. And then those gray beams, and then that hooks in like that. Okay. 2 of these. The black pins. And that, they go right beside those ones. And then got 2 of these. Put the slightly bent axle connectors. It's like that. And those go, they go right in there. Okay. A 22 wing. And I need one of these. That's supposed to go like that. And the 22 wing goes this way. Okay, and then that goes in there. And we need a 21 wing. Same thing on the other side. Goes together like that. Okay, now I have this green axle, flexi axle, goes between those two wings, and then this black, short black axle goes in that axle connection there. Okay. I have a tooth here that goes right in the middle. Okay, it goes like that. And then an axle pin. Oh, there's two of them. They go in those green connectors there. And then this is going to be connected to the front of the car. So this is the front spoiler. Uh-oh. I have to put that back. Okay, this is the front spoiler. And that just hooks onto those two red points there. There we go. And I need a panel. Just one panel. 4 long blue pins. And 2 5 beams. And then there's 2 black pins on the sides here. And 2 of these black. Okay, face outward. Like that. And this goes. They say put that backward. What about these two? Oh, those are supposed to go back as well. Oh, I see. I slide that right on there. Those 2 blue pins there, that goes there. Okay. Now we have this frame, 2 of these, and they are connecting that together. Front and to the front of the car. Okay, that's a good solid connection. And long blue pins to go there. And there. And then some black pins on this one, and this is going to connect over here somewhere, right there. Okay. I just have to do this part once, and we have one of. Okay, we're doing interesting connection with these 3 beams. So I have the long axle pin on this middle one, and then 2 short ones, and that is supposed to slide in, supposed to be in the middle here. And it goes into that beam. Get that in there. Yeah, come on. There we go. That's there. Okay. Oh, that goes down. But it doesn't connect to anything. Is that right? So that's an axle pin and that's supposed to push in. There, but that doesn't, okay, I guess it's holding. I guess it's gonna hold from the top. Okay, this is supposed to slide forward. And have a collar. So last time I had a ton of extra gray collars, and I guess I need them now. So they just didn't want to make another addition to the bag here. So got this gray collar and the short axle here, this gray axle. Okay, it's supposed to go the other way, I think. Yep. So it goes through there. And because it's not actually axle holes in there, it just needs the collar. Okay. Oh, here we go. We're going to put 9-beam to stud pins. And this Sian, it's a probably serial number plate here. And that goes there. It's holding that all together. So, that has been part 22 of my Lamborghini Sian build. This time started building this front section, so we got the front spoiler started here as well as all connected to the front of the car. Anyway, if you'd like to see more, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and take it easy.